Again, I'm not familiar with the Arizona Ombudsman Office. Uh, I, I understand what it's there to do, but I think that in being able to be, again, going back to what I think the role of government should be, is being able to be responsive and transparent. That really requires a leader or a government to really be there, in the front of the people, be present in the people, and to be really engaged, yeah, in the community. So in setting up this kind of system, I believe it would be important to, again, have government officials and or appoint government officials or develop authorities or even committees to be able to engage with the people at a closer level. Thank you.